So hey my YouTube family, today I have something new for you guys. Have you heard something about Nano Banana? So I know many of you know Nano Banana, and that's why you're on this video. So guys, this is what I've done for my fans who follow me. Remember, my name is Young256. We say with me everything is possible. Okay, we have 2.77k subscribers, and then I decided to give my customers, they're not my, actually you people are not my customers, I call you my loving clients, but you don't buy things from me. Let me call you my fans, my followers. I love you so much. So today I'm going to give you a free Nano Banana Masterclass. A free Nano Banana Masterclass. It's going to be very simple. Okay, let me show you. It's very simple. I've attached video clips, and then I've attached the subtitles. So this masterclass is going to be very short and it is brief. Trust me, very short and brief. You're going to learn different things in it. It's free of charge. You'll find the link in the description down, but I'm going to say the password in this video. So guys, let's keep watching the video. This is the way you people can support me. This is the only way you can support me, by watching a video. Yeah, because I don't charge you for these things. So guys, you've heard about Nano Banana. Okay, since you've heard about Nano Banana, I've decided to upload I've uploaded the masterclass for you, and I'm going to put the link in the description. It's brief. Trust me, it's not heavy. It's not going to be very hectic to learn it. We have the course introduction, the Nano Banana story format. So you guys are going to learn things you've not learned. You know, let me show you. Like, you're going to see different things, in the Nano Banana master class. So guys, you're going to go in the description down, download the Nano Banana Masterclass A Pro Guide for AI image mystery. So guys, just make sure you download it. The password, I'm going to say it in the video. Anyway, why do I have to drive you so long? Let me find someone to write the password. Okay, but guys, before we continue, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share the channel. If you're new, please subscribe. At least I want to end 2025 with at least 3k subscribers. Yeah, help me reach 3k subscribers before this year ends. Yeah, that is our goal. And guys, if you want to support me in any way, you can buy me something. Do what? Just inbox me or on my email. Okay, let me put my email here. Okay, since I'm giving a free class, that's why I'm using this moment to ask some things. Okay guys, oh, where's my email? You will come here to view my email. You can send me something, talk to me. You can WhatsApp me. I think my WhatsApp number is in the description. Guys, you can WhatsApp me. It's this one. You can send me a WhatsApp message or an email. We talk. Guys, let me just end the video here. Remember to subscribe, please. Yeah, I've uploaded. The password is 123. The password is 123. Let me find someone to write it. Password. So the guys, this is the password of the Nano Banana Masterclass. What you're going to do is you're just going to go. I'm going to put this link down in the description. You're going to just go down in the description, click the link, download that file. It's not going to be big. It just takes something like 300-500 MBs. Download it. When you download it, use password 123. Extract it with any of your extractor. It can be WinRAR. The course is wide, like wide. It's brief. let me show you. The video is just 2 minutes. Like, it's not going to take long, eh? It's not going, and I've attached special things, guys. Okay, this is it. Think you can see the course. It's going to be easy to use, guys. It's going to be easy. Just remember to subscribe. Young 256 with me. Everything is possible, guys. Allow me to say bye. I love you so much. I like you. Stay blessed. We are here in this thing together. Remember to subscribe if you're new. Love you.